I'm going to flip. Be very careful, it gets fragile when it's hot like that. And continue. Now that we're done with the heat gun, let it cool. Let it get so that it's cold to the touch before you do anything. And be patient. Okay, it's been about a half an hour, and this guy's cool again. Now we're going to reinstall the heat sinks. That'd be this guy and this guy. So if I remember right, this one goes here like this. And this one goes over here like this. Now it's time to reinstall these heat sinks. I'm going to start with this one. This is where you get your silver paste out, or your conductive paste. Something I forgot to mention in the tool list was I specially modified this plastic knife with that little flat end, because I'm going to use it to spread this over this processor. I want a nice even coat. You don't need to put a lot on this, just enough.
I don't know if you all heard that. There was like some sort of pop.
Shouldn't need any more than that.
That was weird.
I'll just spread it using my special tool. And I want it to cover every